Hey guys, how's it going? So today I'm going to talk to you about Avon's newest lip gloss called Crave. They released 12 new colors for just $3.99. Insane. $3.99. So yeah, 12 new colors that are super shiny, super just moisturizing. They're all infused with vitamin E, and they just provide a slight kiss of color, which I prefer. I don't want a super kind of pigmented gloss. I just love the hint of color. So I'm going to be doing a review for that, a review on those glosses for you. But before I do that, I just kind of wanted to go over some makeup, some Avon and Marc makeup that I have on my face right now. So I have the Avon Face Perfector primer. So I wear it under my foundation, and I just have the sample right now because I got this in my kit. And then I have on Marc's Get Even liquid foundation. This is great. So I have oily skin and it works great on my skin and lasts all day. Really, really pretty. And then let's see what else. On my face, I have Marc's Glow Together bronzer in Low Tide as a bronzer. And then for a highlight, I have the Avon True Color highlighting powder in Quartz. Super, super pretty. Gives you a super pretty glow. And then on my eyes, I have, so this hasn't been released yet, and I'm super excited for it to be released and try all the different colors. But this is the Avon Glimmer Shadow in Peach Sapphire. Yeah, Peach Sapphire. So if you can see on my eyes, you get a really pretty, just like all over glow and like glimmer on your eyes. You can see that? And it's cool, like you put it on and it automatically kind of turns to powder. It's weird. And then in my crease, I put the, that bronzer again. I just went in with the fluffy brush and went in my crease. And then mascara, I have the Big and Daring Volume Mascara. Love this stuff. It really provides just like the perfect volume on my lashes. And then in my waterline, I have the Glimmer Stick in Copper. So you guys, just keep on watching so you can see my review, or just the swatches, on these Crave glosses. So yeah, I did it on 8 of the 12 colors. So let me try to get these all up for you so you can see. Kind of tough to do. There you go. So yeah, I did them on all of these colors. So as you can see, I'm missing about 4, but I hope you're able to enjoy this. Thanks again for watching, guys. If you are interested in purchasing any of the Avon Crave lip glosses, I'm gonna go ahead and link my e-store below. Again, the glosses are $3.99. That's an amazing deal for these glosses. They are just so comfortable on the lips, moisturizing. You get such a pretty color on the lips. So yeah, those are below. And I'm also gonna link any of the makeup that I wore in today's video. See you guys next time. Bye.